From providing more information to capturing attention, hover effects can make your store look much more dynamic and engaging for customers. Welcome back to Learn with GemPages. Today, I'll show you different ways to make your online store stand out using hover effects. You can use the listed timestamps to easily navigate through this video. Let's get started. Now we're going to create a color transition effect for buttons. Since the button and add to cart button elements share similar settings, we can apply the same method to both. Here are the steps. Step 1. In the GemPages editor, click on the button to open its settings panel in the left sidebar. Step 2. Under the Settings tab, scroll down to the Effects section. Click on the styled box next to the hover field. Step 3. Customize the hover styles as you prefer, including background. Choose a color that aligns with your page's theme. Also, you can use a background image to catch more attention. Text color. Select a contrasting or complementary color for better visibility. Shape. You can adjust the bold appearance, set rounded corners for a soft look or sharp edges for a modern feel, and add a shadow effect to give your button a 3D appearance and make it pop. Step 4. Click Save to keep your changes. No one makes a purchase just by glancing at an image. People are often drawn to the richness of visuals. They allow customers to feel the product in ways that words simply can't convey. For example, when viewing a jewelry product, being able to see it from multiple angles or zoom in to observe the fine details helps customers build greater trust in the product. Note: high-quality images are essential, and if needed, we recommend hiring a professional photographer. Now let's get started and explore how to create a hover effect for your images. Step 1. Go back to the GemPages editor. Step 2. Click on the image you want to edit. The element configuration will appear on the left sidebar. Next, switch to the Advanced tab. Step 3. Scroll down to the Animation section, then navigate to When Hover. Here you can find two hover effects, Zoom and Shake. Let's go into detail. If I choose the Zoom hover effect for this image, I can adjust the direction to either zoom in or zoom out. Under Zoom ratio, I'll set it to 70%. With speed, you can use the slider to control how fast the animation plays. The further you drag it to the right, the faster the animation will be. Additionally, you can set a delay time before the animation starts or before each repeat if the looping option is enabled. The maximum delay time is 20 seconds. Finally, you can choose from various easing functions to control the transition speed between keyframes. The right easing function depends on the animation behavior and overall user experience you want to achieve. So if I choose the Shake hover effect here, we can configure it as follows. Intensity determines how frequently the shaking motion occurs within a certain time frame. The higher the intensity, the more noticeable the movement will be. Similar to the zoom effect, you'll also find speed, delay, and easing settings here, which serve the same purposes. Lastly, the loop option allows you to enable or disable the animation to repeat continuously as long as the element remains visible. That's all for the basic steps to create a hover effect and make your page more engaging. Don't forget to save and publish your page once you're done. We'd love for you to subscribe and activate notifications so you can easily follow our upcoming tutorials.
We appreciate your support.